front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app Code Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, hit Continue in the pop-up. Select the gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files and go back. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean. Hit Clean next to Junk Files over here. And last but not least, confirm your choice by selecting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!